The topic for today is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. I shall start with the simple example, means the example which is having two fractions. Then we shall go for 3 and 4. The first question is 2 whole 1 by 7 plus 3 whole 5 by 8. The first step, I shall convert both the improper fractions into mixed numbers. 7 multiplied 2, 14 plus 1, 15 over 7. How we do? We multiply these two, then add this. 8 multiplied 3, 24 plus 5, 29 over 8. Now I shall take the LCM of 7 and 8. As 7 is a prime number, so the LCM is 56. The product of these two, but we can also check. The LCM is 2 2s are 4, multiply 2 is 8, multiply 7, 56. Okay, now we shall multiply the denominator which is 7 with 8 and the denominator which is 8 with 7. We shall multiply the same number with the respective numerator. 15 multiply 8 is 120 over 56. And 29 multiply 7, 203 over 56. You can check. When we shall add the numerators, we shall have 323 and the denominator will be written only once. And then we shall convert our answer into mixed number, as we shall go in the table of 56. 56, I guess 5 times. If we take 56 6 times, this is 280. It is bigger. So 56 5 times 280. What is left? 3. Here it will be 2. This is 12. 43. So your final answer will be 5 whole. This is the whole. This remainder is 43 here, numerator, and this is the denominator, 56. One simple question of subtraction. 9 whole 2 by 5 minus 5 whole 1 by 3. First step, convert them into improper fractions. Multiply 5 with 9, 45 plus 2, 47. Multiply 3 with 5, 15 plus 1, 16 over 3. Now take the LCM of 5 and 3. Both are prime numbers, so it is 15. 3 multiply 5 with is 15, 5 multiply 3 is 15. Make the denominators equal to LCM. And the numerator will be multiplied with the same number which is multiplied with the denominator. So it is 16 multiply 5 when 3 multiply 5 and 47 multiply 3 when 5 multiply 3. Next step, it is 141 when we multiply 47 with 3 over 15. This is 80. You can check. Now I was subtracting. I shall subtract these two. It is 141 minus 80. I shall have 61. 61 over 15. Now I have to convert it into mixed number. The easiest way to convert into a mixed number is, read the table of 15. 15, 1 times 15, 2 times 30, 3 times 45, 4 times 60, and this is the remaining 1. Answer is 4 whole 1 by 15. Next question. I am going to take addition as well as subtraction at the same time, along with 3 fractions or mixed numbers. First step, we are converting them into improper fractions. What we do, multiply these two. 3 multiply 4 is 12 and 2 14. 5 multiply 1 is 5 plus 3. 4, 1 times 4 and 1, 5. LCM of 3, 5 and 4 to make the denominator same. Start with 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 and 3 as it is. Again with 2 to make it 1. Now with 3, it is now 1 and at the end with 5. The LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, 60. Now we have to make all the denominators equal to 60. In the table of 3, when we go, 3 multiply 20 is 60. So we shall multiply these two with 20. In the table of 5, 12 5 times 60. So we shall have to multiply this 8 with 12 also. And 4 15 times, I guess, yes. 5 15 times. Okay, I am going to the next step. 14 multiply 20, 280. 12 8 times, 96. 75 over 60. It was minus. Okay, first we shall add these two. 280 plus 96. 376 over 60 minus 75 over 60. We have 301 over 60. And when we shall convert it into a mixed number, 65 times is 301. This is the answer. First step is to convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then we take the LCM of the denominators and make all the denominators equal to LCM. When we multiply a specific number with the denominators to make them equal to LCM, we multiply the same number with the numerator. If this denominator is multiplied with 15, then its respective numerator will be multiplied with 15. If this denominator is multiplied with 12, the respective numerator will be multiplied with 12, and so on. After that, when we have the same denominators, we write the denominators once and add the numerators. Here we added these two and then we subtracted 75 to have the final answer. And when we have the final number, which is only a single fraction, we convert it into a mixed number. The last example, which is having 4 terms, proper fraction, 3 improper fractions, and all are going to be subtracted. So the first step to convert them into mixed number, how we do it? We multiply the denominator with the whole number. 5 4 times 20 plus add the numerator 23 over 5. 15 1 times 15 and 2 17 over 15. 9 2s are 18 and 7 25 over 9 and 2 by 45 as it is. Second step is the LCM of all the denominators. We shall start with 2. There is no even number. We shall start with 3. Then we shall stay on 3 until unless we have any divisor with 3. Now we shall go with 5. The LCM is 45. We shall make all the denominators equal to 45. It is already 45. We shall multiply with 1. 9, this is 9, you can see from here or there. 9 multiply 5 is 45. So we shall multiply the numerator as well as denominator with 5. 15. 15, 3 times 45. So we shall multiply here 3, denominator and numerator as well. And this 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. So we shall multiply these two with 9. The next step, we shall multiply the numerators with the respective numbers. This is 207, 51, 125 and 2 as it is. Now we shall subtract We can subtract at the same time, but we can subtract step by step also. 207 minus 51 will give us 156. 156 minus 125 will give us 31, and 31 minus 2 will give us 29. So the final answer is 29 over 45, and we cannot convert it into mixed number as it is already in proper form, proper fraction.